So I'm here with Wyn Thomas, Aber assistant manager. We were struck out by a long list of injuries beforehand, and it doesn't get any nicer to look at now.
No, we've got a small squad as it is. Obviously it's disappointing with the result tonight, but we knew it was going to be a hard task. TNS are a very, very good team. Away from home they are better, I believe, this season. But first half we dug in deep. Quigley scored a great goal, to be fair to him, with his weakest foot. And then second half, it just didn't work for us. Like I said, TNS are a good team. It was a disappointment result for us, but we've got to move on. Positives, a couple of youngsters come on and done well for us. JC from start played very well for us, so that's a positive for us, but we move on to Llandudno next week.
It seemed like there were 2 goals in as many minutes, just killed the game off a little bit. Was there belief it went, or was it more of just get on to next week now?
I wouldn't say belief. Boys are honest lads, they work hard for each other. That's what we've got in the change rooms, and it was, the 2 goals were, the 2 quick goals were disappointing. The early goal, second half, changed the game. I thought they pressed well, and they played the ball very, very well, and we were open in times, and that needed to be changed. But we, like I said, move on. Llandudno next week. We train on Tuesday. Hopefully we can regroup. Hopefully the injuries aren't as bad as expected, and our physio can work hard on them all week and get them fit for next Saturday.
You say you've now got a week's gap, so after 7 games in 20 days, it's going to be nice to have a week off, kind of thing.
Yeah, it's there's nothing better than playing games in Welsh Prem, especially on a Friday night in Aberystwyth. So hopefully we can regroup, and I know the lads are disappointed, but they're a positive bunch. We've got very good footballers in there, and I'm sure they'll react positively and concentrate on the next game.
And then Stuart Jones making his appearance with parents, all of them as starts. How important is Stuart Jones to Aberystwyth?
Yeah, he's vital. He's captain. He's a leader on the pitch and off the pitch. He played very well tonight, winning every header as he always does. And he could have scored, but that would have rounded it off lovely for him. But he's a good footballer. He's like I said, he's a great leader, and he's very important to Aberystwyth Football Club.
And then finally, the students' night was tonight. We had 644 as the overall attendance, biggest crowd of our season. How important is the fans, just as much as Stuart Jones and the rest of the players?
Yeah, listen, they all want to play in front of big crowds. They deserve it because they're a good footballing team. Like I said, tonight was disappointing, but hopefully they can come back and see us win, and hopefully they can keep coming back. Friday night is a big hit with Aberystwyth. It's a great place to come to watch football. There's plenty of goals here, and we've got the best player in the league here.